Okay, so ma'am is there. So I'm setting up my setup on the floor. So you have to take proper safety precautions. Also, girls, especially for girls, tie your hair while doing this. It is very risky to keep your hairs open. So I'll just do it, do the setup on the floor. Till then, Santosh ma'am will tell you about the exhibition. Santosh ma'am, can you tell them about the spring exhibition going on? I just need 2 minutes to do the setup on the floor. Okay, so I think it is visible from both my devices. One is from the laptop. If anyone cannot see that, you can just swipe your screen and go to Simran laptop and you will be able to see that.
Yes, Gauri Simran, it is visible to all, I think.
Perfect, perfect. So I'll just start.
Sure. Yes,
Okay.
you
So now you can, yes, definitely. I'll just start. So I am gonna work on a tile. So keeping this tile as the basic. Now I am working on the floor so that I do not have any gadgets around me. Like I have kept laptop and phone, but it is at a distance. So you have to do in particular way. So now talking about that, I have my solution with me. I have 3 colors, random colors I have chosen. So this is very, fun art form because this can be done in a variety of way. But I will be doing randomly and I'll show you on 2-3 ways. So on 2-3 tiles, different ways so that it excites you. So let's start with this. So I'm gonna start it and you can just, observe it for the very first time. And let's start and see what it creates. So see, every time you do this art form, it is very natural and very different. It is not similar to what you have particularly done beforehand or whatever you might do. Also, keeping the precautions along with this, I would also say that just try to make it more. So now I have put color and now I am gonna put the blending solution, which is a sanitizer itself, but it is a different different proportion of alcoholing. That is why we are definitely using it. And now keeping all of this, letting it settle for a few seconds. Before we actually pop it out. Now, see, taking the matchstick and see. So this is the amount of fire that it catches. So it is a lot of fire. Since I have not done on a full tile, that is why it did very lightly. But see, now I'll show you what effect it has brought in that. Can you see the effect? This is very natural. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So this effect is very natural and abstract. You can see that I have not planned anything. I have just randomly put colors, the solution, and I have lit the fire. And this is what naturally it, just came out with. Now to give it more shape and effect, supposedly I want to do it with these colors on one particular end. So I can definitely do that maybe with 2 colors, adding just a drop of it, doing it on a particular side. See, blending solution plays a very important role. Wherever you will put the blending solution, the fire will catch out there. So remember this. So now doing on this area only. So you can see that only this area will catch the fire. So wherever we are putting blending solution, only there the fire is getting, the fire is there. Every area is not covering that. So that medium is definitely this. So you have to always keep precautions. Now, why I say that you have to keep sanitizer and everything side, because maybe unknowingly you have a sanitizer kept somewhere, and we have so many bottles at home right now, so it can cause problem. So see, it is very different. This is again different from this. So every time you do this now, this is very different. You can definitely create a more of this stuff with your more creativity and stuff. I'll do one more and show you so that it excites you. Now this time I'm not going to do on the center. I'll just do on two sides. So taking the same color combination, I'm liking more of blue and this. Now on both the sides, I have put a lot of dots. Now it is not necessary that you put dots. You can put lines also. Now I have just added some lines. I don't know how it will come out. Maybe it is not good. Maybe it is not good. Then I can definitely clean it again with a sanitizer wipe. Till the time I don't, I don't seal it with a varnish or resin or something. I can definitely do that. So now, again the same thing. It will catch fire only in these two areas. So see, the amount of fire, only the areas have caught, but it is very natural, and we can say that it is very, very abstract, because I don't know what it will form till the time the fire goes off. So that is a very surprising and magical thing to me. So I really don't know what it will cause. And again, you can see both of them were same color combination done in the same way, but it has formed a very different format. Done? See. So this is very different. Different from the other one, definitely. So we have used the same color combination, but on a different note. So it ended up in a different way. So this is the fire technique that is done. See, you may think that there is no particular format to do this, no tips and tricks. There are definitely tips and tricks, but this is a demonstration of how fun it is. Like, it is very fun and magical. We don't know what it will actually happen and how it will grow. So that is what it is done. Do you guys want me to do on one more with different colors? So I can definitely do that.
Excellent, Simran. Excellent. You did excellent. The way you explain, it's beautifully you explain this art, and you explain about the colored surface, what kind of surface it required, colors, and where this art originated from.
Yes, I told everything about that. Because what fascinates about an art form is where it came from, how were people using it first, how we can use it further. Not only like paintings, wall paintings, we can use it in a very different way. This is very magical art form. I love it. I totally love it.
Yes, we are also very excited to see it's a fire art. If you call it fire art, that will be awesome. So very nice, Gursimran. If anyone have any question to ask, you can ask from Gursimran. If anybody interested, please ask your question to Gursimran. And if anyone interested and want to learn this technique and what art is, you can directly contact to the Gursimran. I will share the her contact number on the screen. You can just write down or take a screenshot of this phone number and her email. You can contact further if you want to learn this art. So come to the Gursimran. Hello. Anyone have any question?
Yes.
No.
Anyone has any questions? So you can please ask about this art form or any other, like you want to learn something else.
No. Okay. I have one question for Simran.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
From where we will get this color? It is, you told us it is not available in the ordinary stationery shop.
Yes, yes. This is not available in ordinary stationery. Like if you opt for my workshop, I provide my kits because you have to then roam around for material. And if you want it on your own, there are certain brands on Amazon. So Amazon, you can write alcohol inks, and you will get a variety of brand depending on your pocket size. Like whatever you want to wish, some people want to just learn, so they can have only 2-3 colors. Some people want to experiment with more colors, so they can definitely go for so many colors. So it has very cost effective range.
Cost effective
But
water.
I provide my kits also, which has different bases, which has full information about them, and I teach 2-3 techniques, like all the techniques about this art form.
In this art, we can only create abstract art, or we can do something other things can do.
You can definitely do
abstract art.
This is an abstract art form, but
Totally
obviously you
abstract
can create. Yes, it is abstract, like some techniques. For example, the fire technique that I did. So it is very abstract. We don't know what it will actually create. But with putting you can also put a theme in that. For example, I made this with a theme of waves. So I made this in this particular format.
So beautiful, so beautiful.
So
we can
you can obviously think of a theme and do it.
Okay. Then we can also create some figure in this technique.
Yes, but it is slightly difficult to
it's
do
very
that.
difficult after the
with practice, definitely you can do that.
Okay. With practice, we will able to learn.
Yes, that is purely creativity, ma'am. You can definitely do anything that you wish to, but for that you need practice in abstract also. The hold of colors, where you want to put the fire, where you want to do the other technique.
So good, Simran. You explain it perfectly.